Hello people and welcome to this tutorial, and we'll be looking how to install Kali Linux on Windows Hyper-V. So if you are a cybersecurity person, ethical hacker, or a penetration tester, Kali Linux is a great tool, and using Hyper-V provides a seamless and efficient virtualization experience on Windows. So let's get started. First things first, you go to your browser and go to Kali Linux, linux.org. On the download options, you see install images, virtual machines. This is what you are interested in. So you click virtual machines, and for this one, we'll be looking at Hyper-V. So you can either choose to download via HTTPS or torrent, and these are the docs and the checksums. So if you need to verify whether it's genuine, you need to use these checksums. I've already downloaded it, so no need to download it again. But for you, you can either choose the torrent or the HTTPS. And before we begin, ensure you have a Windows 10 or 11 Pro, or Enterprise, or Education Edition, because Hyper-V is not available on home editions. Okay. And the other thing is to make sure that Hyper-V is enabled on your system. So that's what you're going to do. You press the Windows key and search for Windows tools. Windows, turn Windows features on or off. It's on the control panel. Click it, and where is it? Once you click it, scroll down to look for Hyper-V. Yeah. So it in most cases, if you haven't used Hyper-V, it will be disabled. So click the check box to make sure you have enabled it, and click OK. And once you do that, it will ask you to restart your PC so that to apply the changes. So go ahead and restart your system and to apply the changes. Now once you restart your system, the other way, if you are a command line guy, you don't want to use the control panel, you can go to your terminal, to your Windows PowerShell, and there is this command, dism.exe, then online, then enable feature, and this feature is Microsoft Hyper-V on. This will it's the same as what we have done via the control panel, and it will ask you to restart your PC. So once you restart your PC, you have your Hyper-V enabled. So once you have it, and once you restart your PC, just search for Hyper-V. Now it will be, and you can see it. Click it, and then it will come here to create a new. Okay, so there is in the start menu, where do you have this? Yeah, you can create new virtual machine, and then there are those options, there are those settings. Before you begin, there's this story, specify name and location, specify generation, assign memory, configure networking, configure virtual hard disk, blah 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 all the way. So since we are using this virtual machine Hyper-V, not virtual machine Hyper-V, it's already pre-built, and we even have the credentials here, Kali. So you not need to have all this story. Yeah. So what you need is to import the virtual machine. Before you begin, the locate folder where you have downloaded your Hyper-V. your Hyper-V pre-built machine. Let me locate it, and here it is. So this is the folder. Then you select the folder where you've you specify the folder containing the virtual machine to import. Then you go next. Hyper-V do not fetch. In fact, the other option is, I found it more way easier than to figure out how you go about this. Go to where you have downloaded your Hyper-V, and you have extracted it. Do we have it? Yes, so this is it. I've extracted it. So just open this folder and run this 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 Windows batch file. So what it will do, it will create for you this virtual machine, because it has the settings. You see the settings that we need to add here: specify name and location, generation, memory, configure networking, all that information. It's already, because this is a pre-built Hyper-V image. So you just need to install to run this batch files, and there you go. So once you run that, maybe I can try to rerun it again. So, yeah. So it runs that script. Wait for just a few seconds. Yeah, your Kali virtual machine is ready. In order to use it, please start Hyper-V Manager. For more information, read the story. Yeah, and there we go. Press any key to continue the present. So that's all you need to do. It will save you the story to, and you can see it has created another one here. So what you need to do is just now you see the information that the settings that we needed to do: generation for this one is generation 2, and you have the memory. It has given 2 GB of memory, and minimum memory is 512. Startup memory is 2 GB. Maximum memory that it can take, how much is this? I don't know how much GB this is, but it depends on your system. The good thing with Hyper-V is that the memory is it's not fixed. You just need the startup, and then it will scale depending on the services or the application that you are running. So once you do that, you just need to start it. Do you want to revert now? I will see some of the advantages of I think first we can look at the advantages of the VirtualBox, the Hyper-V of a VirtualBox or other tool. One is that there is direct integration. So it has better performance because it has direct integration with Windows kernel. So our speed is optimized. And then about resources, there is efficiency because it uses fewer system resources compared to other virtual machines. Then it has a seamless integration because it supports Windows-based virtualization features like checkpoints and live migrations. For instance, you can see here, there is automatic checkpoint detected. So it is asking us, do you want to revert to the previous automatic checkpoint, that one, or continue from the last state of this virtual machine? So I can either choose to revert or to continue. Then last but not least, it is free at built-in, so you don't have to install any third-party software if you already have Windows Pro or Enterprise or Education. And that's it. So when it's running here, you can now connect. And when you connect it will ask you what choose the size of your desktop interaction. This is, depending on what you want. You can either decide to use that. Now it's connecting, and there we have, as we were told, it's Kali and Kali, and boom. I think we are in. Now we are in Kali system. And now you can run. Where am I? I have a few commands now with Kali here. Use ls commit. Yeah, and that's it. That's it. So I now we have successfully installed Kali Linux on Hyper-V. So I hope you found this helpful. So you can share with a friend. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. So thanks for watching and happy hacking, guys. See you in the next one.